In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty deleted items in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear out messages you no longer need and keep your mailbox tidy using the built-in options Outlook provides. Start by opening Outlook from your desktop. Give it a moment to load. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your account credentials and complete any verification so you're fully logged in. This ensures you can access all your folders and make changes that sync correctly. Next, go to your Trash or Deleted Items folder. Depending on your version of Outlook or your email provider, this folder may be labeled either way, but it serves the same purpose. It's where messages go after you delete them from your inbox or other folders. This is the place we'll empty. To remove messages, click a single email you want gone and press the Delete key on your keyboard. That sends it out of the Deleted Items folder and toward permanent removal. If you want to clear a range of messages at once, click the first email in the list, hold the Shift key, then click the last email in the range, and press Delete. This is a quick way to clean up large chunks without selecting each message one by one. You also have a mouse-friendly option. Look at the ribbon at the top of Outlook, or the reading pane where the message opens. You'll see a trash icon. With one or more emails selected, click that icon to remove them from the Deleted Items folder. It does the same job as the keyboard method, just via a button. Another convenient method is to right-click on any message you want to remove and choose Delete from the context menu. This is handy when you're already reviewing an email and decide it's safe to permanently discard it. When Outlook asks for confirmation, typically with a message like, "Do you want to permanently delete the selected conversations?" click OK to proceed. This confirmation helps prevent accidental loss, so always double-check what you've selected before confirming. A crucial note: once you delete items from the Trash or Deleted Items folder, there's no option within Outlook to retrieve them. Consider reviewing the list briefly before you finalize, especially if you manage shared mailboxes or are cleaning up after a busy week. That's it. Open Outlook, sign in, head to Deleted Items, and clear messages using the Delete key, the trash icon, or a right-click. Confirm when prompted, and you'll have an empty folder and a cleaner mailbox in no time.